Hello, my name is Robert Brooks. The term is 1506 and the class is APT 2. Just wanted to first take you through a walkthrough of my application that I designed for this month's class. The name of the application is Polyfactual, and I wanted to go through and take you through some of the things about the first milestone that have been completed and some of the things that were a little bit frustrating. Polyfactual basically is an application that makes it very easy for you to research your senators or your congressmen right from your phone without having to go through a mess and trying to. It gives you contact information, it gives you voting information. It also gives you voting record as well, which is big. So you can actually see how people have voted on certain subjects. Anyways, let's launch it. Right here, you'll look and it goes to the main screen, the polyfactual screen. We put this milestone. We put the icon up in the top. You can search from your state, your zip code, or by name. So if you want to search by someone's name, you can do that as well. So just real quick, I'll show you a search by zip code or search by name. Excuse me, a search by state will just take you to the state that I clicked on in Alabama. They're all Alabama because they're just, at this point right now in the project, they're just static. Next week they'll be dynamic, coming from external sources. But you can go through and view your members of Congress for wherever you pick. Now going back, you can do the same thing for a zip code. Now zip code's a little bit different. You just can't enter anything in there. You have to have a valid zip code, or it just really won't work. You can see your senators for that actual zip code. Those are your senators. This is your House of Representatives. Now sometimes, because of how the districts are run, the zip code sometimes can have two House members, but not very often. Going back, in the final feature that we were working on in milestone 1 was the got the zip, we got the name. It was the results pages. Yes, the actual results pages. And what I'm thinking about doing in the future is actually consolidating that into one page instead of using 3 results pages. But everything works real well. I mean, everything is laid out real well. Had some difficulty I used the dark theme, or a light with a dark action bar theme, which was pretty interesting because I really needed to figure out how to style these tab navigations. It took a while, but I did find out how to style that. So it took a little bit longer than what I thought. But other than that, everything went really smoothly, and I hope it keeps going smoothly for next week. I don't have any change requests right now. I'm thinking of making one next week. I have one thing that I would like to see that I think that could better the application. And my plans moving forward are just to stay on track, keep a good schedule. This week was a little short one, but next week's going to have plenty of time to finish milestone 2. And there's no doubt about it. The way we did this week, milestone 2 will not be as hard as this week, I don't believe. So that is pretty much it for me for this video. We are starting coding again on Monday. We're taking the day off. I am taking the day off on Sunday and starting to code again Monday. So thank you very much, and I look forward to next week's project. Thanks. Bye-bye.